how to make a prevision of our series. To make a prevision of series, we need to first of all extend the range of our series. So we came up on our base and double click on the range and change end dates. So the end date were previously April the 24th, 2020. So you can extend to May the 1st, 2020, and then click on OK. Precise importing, inserting file observation, then click on yes to continue and apply as well for the program. So our series has been extended. So we can, if we go on the spreadsheet, you should see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new values that has been extended to our series. So to make a prevision, as I told you, you just need to go on forecast and give the name of the forecast series, which should choose let dynamic forecast and forecast sample that are April the 25th. April the 25th, because previously our series were ended in April the 24th. Now we start forecasting at April the 25th, 2020 till May the 1st, 2020. So then we click on OK and can see that our series forecast has been made. We can select our two series closing and closing forecast and then open as group. Double click and open as group. So we can go on view, plot the graph of our series. So the forecast is not visible. We should select our series beginning by the forecasting series. Then we double click and open as groups. Go on view, graph, and we can see the forecast series which is in blue and the series evolution in red. You can see that our model have been used in order to forecast that our series is going to go up in a few days. If you are a trader, you should buy dollar so that few days the value of the dollar should go up and reach a good level. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it very well help you understand how to run ARMA model using EViews.